In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily get camera app back on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and if you accidentally removed camera app from your device, I'm gonna show you the full tutorial how you can easily get it back. Let's get started from the settings. Just open up settings. Then scroll down until you find the screen time. Scroll down and tap at content and privacy restrictions. Go to allowed apps and then make sure camera app turned on your device. If it is turned off, you are not able to get it back. So first, let's tap at that toggle to enable camera app. After that, go to settings again, and that's where we need to search for Siri and search. In here, scroll down until you find camera. Then make sure that toggle button next to the option which is called Show Up in Search turned on. If it is toggled off, just tap on it to enable. Once it is done, all you have to do is just go to your home screen, then swipe down to Show Up Search, and then just search for camera. That will show you camera app right over here, and then you can just drag it and place anywhere on your home screen. Basically, guys, that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.